My family, thank you for being here with me at this juncture in time and space. We are each such brave souls for choosing to be here as we witness the changing of the guard, the crumbling of the old and the dissolving of the false light. Nothing ever stands still. Time doesn't exist, yet here we are feeling the winds of change. Chaos has arrived and we are all awakening in some way. Can we look at the chaos and transmute it to love? Can we look at the chaos and truly know that this is part of the plan? Can we look at the chaos and see hearts around the world cracking apart, revealing their eternal flame? We are all opening our hearts more and more as our planet shifts in frequency. We have arrived at the needle point, the narrowing passage of the hourglass which I channeled in 2019. Cycles within cycles of time are converging, and as of October 14, 2024, we have entered a new phase of the quantum state of the ninth wave of the Mayan calendar, marking a significant shift towards unity consciousness and reconnecting with the divine, with the cosmos and with our cosmic families as we build our house for Christ. Through the chaos, people are uniting, people are exchanging love, and people are bonding in ways their previous lifestyles didn't allow for. So I ask you again, can you look at the chaos and see a higher divine purpose and know that this is part of the plan? Can you look at the chaos and transmute it to love? Nothing ever stays the same. Just as the cells in our body go through their own death and rebirth cycles, so does our beloved planet. The wind of change is upon us. The legions of light are here. They are with us, assisting us to reach for the light. The light is always coming. As our Great Mother goes through her own ascension, we are being called to be the planetary guardians, the keepers, who will rebuild the golden cities, the crystalline world that is waiting for us. Right now, we are in the narrowing passage of the shifting sands of the hourglass. It may appear dark, but the light is coming again. We are at the threshold, the tipping point just before we flip the hourglass and birth the golden age. Together, hand in hand, we will walk over that rainbow bridge. Together, hand in hand, we will remember who and what we truly are. Together, hand in hand, we will claim back our sovereignty and freedom as we lead each other home. I am the truth. I am the way. I am the light. I am the truth. I am the way. I am the light. I am the truth. I am the way. I am the light. I love you.